If your horse keeps changing directions on you, then that tells me that you probably have made a round pen that's too big, and you just don't have enough time to get over there to make a correction before the horse makes his full turn. So remember, the secret here is to simply have a smaller round pen. The one I'm in is 60 feet across. If the horse stops and stands and stares at you, and he does this repeatedly, then you might also have a round pen that's just too darn big, because he's probably got too much time to stop and stand and stare at you. It takes you too much time to get over there to make a correction. Because if the pen was small enough, you'd be able to take a step or two and crack him in the butt with that whip of yours, and you'd be able to keep him going. By the same token, you have to be careful all the time that you're not applying too much motivation, okay? Because if the horse starts to realize, wait a minute, I get beat if I go, I get beat if I stay, I get beat if I do anything, he quickly learns that, no matter what he does, it's wrong. Always, always, always use the least amount of motivation possible. Think to yourself, okay, if the horse gets used to the crack of the whip, what am I going to do then? That'll keep you and your motivation and your emotions in check. Begin with something simple, like, say, jumping at the horse, or taking a step towards the horse, or slapping your foot down, or picking up a rock and throwing it down. Singing a show tune, screaming, do something like that. And build your way to the ultimate motivator being a crack in the butt with your whip. Because it doesn't take long for the horse to realize that a crack in the butt with a whip really doesn't hurt very much, and he's going to stop and stare at you, and then you really have problems.